Hello guys, hello everybody, hello you, welcome to Channel Resort. I am Gray and today I am with D and I am with
Intro siya.
But before the S guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and like, and to share this video to your family and friends. And now I am with D and Maria here in Amsterdam.
Hello you!
Kasama ko si Maria.
Welcome in
Netherlands.
Zandvoort.
Zandvoort.
Ikaw na mag-live, bahala ka dyan.
Tama ka. Sa train kami. Papunta sa Amsterdam. Kikita namin si D. Si D nandun na lasing.
Iniwan namin. Bahala siya doon magbayan. Basang-basa kami sa ulan. Welcome to Amsterdam! Hala, ba't nag-red?
Ha?
Ba't nag-red? Ay, tumatakbo
Hindi,
na.
nagre-record.
Iharap mo doon kay Prince. We have bodyguards.
Pwede ba yun?
Bodyguards, Prince Harry.
Oh, yan. Kami ni Maria. Nasa Amsterdam na. Amsterdam. Maganda yung panahon.
Lumabas si araw.
Si Haring Araw.
Pero yung mga tao dito naka-gloves. Gusto niyo marima.
Gloves.
No gloves.
Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Okay lang. Ayan, tayo.
Yan, maniningwit na po kami dito.
Uy, welcome kayo ng weather. Magandang
Welcome.
weather sa Amsterdam.
Donna is down.
Just another hopeless romantic caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the
Gutom na kami.
Gutom na, pagod pa.
Pero na. Hay na
lamig.
ako. Hay na ako sa
Iniinitan ako.
Mari.
Ha?
Kay Marisa.
Kay Mari.
Kakuha na.
Kay
Maria
Maria
Juana.
Juana.
I'm done. Bakit nahulog ko? Ayaw ko ng amoy. I don't like it.
3 minutes pa ko na lang nandun na tayo kay D.
Babe! Ano na? Nasaan na yung litson? Ayun si Kim. Ayun si Kim.
Saan? Hindi ikaw daw na eh. Shih Tzu. Eskimo. Not me. Hi. Eto na si D. Eto na si D. Kasi Maruya. Ayan, magkakasama na kami. Piso.
Shiso na naman kami.
Oo. Andi na lang. Magutom. Kanina. Pumayat ako ng konti. Katulong happy ako doon. Pipili, napipili. Namimili na si Maruya.
Mas cuisine?
Okay.
Happy birthday. Panggera na naman ako.
Tanggera.
Master tayo niyan.
Master. Kasi yung
Lumamig
isa.
na.
Wait, Mayura. Is, we have to. So,
Ano nga?
ano, dapat kuminom pa din talaga.
Mag-hatsing ako. Chopstick.
The aftermath. Yan. Hi. Ay, ganyan. Okay na yan. Ganyan na siya. O, tapos si Mayura. Ganyan itsura.
May filter siya wala.
Wala.
Ay, ayoko niya. Huwag niyo ko pakita dyan. Ayoko, no.
Walang filter. Kaya mo.
I don't like no filter. Sabi ni Blue, sino yung nasa likod niyo dapat?
Sure what this feels like, it's not how I picture this life, cause you are.
Cheryl and Yan, we miss you so much.
Oo nga.
This is the,
Oo, nandun kami.
tawag dito? Yung prime time bida-bida.
Yari tayo
We
dito.
went here.
Oo.
The bida-bida place. It's quite cold. It's already springtime, pero what can it... Basta at least clear pa rin siya.
It's springtime pero it's it's like winter.
Oo. Yung damitan namin. Meron pa ako shawl. Hindi ako mahilig mag-shawl ha, pero shawl
Meron
ako.
ako
Ayoko magkasakit talaga.
Eskimo pa ako.
Si may live ako tomorrow. I have live.
Meron ba?
High na po siya. She's
May nasinghot.
High as high. Bahala ko mag-live ako.
O sige.
Women all around, but damn, I caught myself staring a couple of times. It's unfair that you're glaring. Whoa, I don't wanna.
Ayan no. Kami dito. Nagla-live si Maruya. Actually, maganda rin talaga.
4 and 5.
Okay na yung quality. Ayan guys, yung Fun Wonder and Stroke Waffles. Yan yung napakamahal na stroke waffle here in the Netherlands. Yan. So, are you full? I'm very full.
Yes, I had. Ik ben voldaan. Ik heb genoeg. I ate a lot today. Walang diet for today's video. And syempre, medyo not too much time together, but still at least nakita ulit after busy days. Ginagawa, daming pinagdadaan sa buhay.
Si Maria sigaw na sigaw.
Ewan ko doon.
Parang lagi nawawala. Ayun siya.
Bumili ka ng ganyan. Maganda, no?
Oo,
Ganyan.
monkey. For monkey. There.
Oo, maganda
Actually,
yung
maganda siya.
nila.
Ay, ganyan. So, andyan sila Maruya.
Kanilang skirt.
O, diba? Paper Nuts, Amsterdam. It's actually 9 o'clock, 9:30 p.m. already. But look at the sky. Still bright. This is what I like about summer, you know? English.
This is what I like about summer, you know? It likes winter, you know?
It's actually...
Prince, our tagahawak na limoncello, everybody. Wait, H is in the house there.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I can take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling.
The red light.
That's where I've been. I hit
The red light is there at the other side.
Go and gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Want you to go someday. As long as you do that, as long as you do that.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes. And you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Your dreams, say the magic words on my own. This will be for free. The dreams, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Girl, good girl.
These guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Ay, bye-bye, T.
Amoy.
Hi! Naka-video ka.
MRT. Da. Ciao, ingat. Hoy, yung limoncello.
Sige, D! Maulog ka dyan, ah.
Maybe it's nothing. Why can't I hold you? Some nights I get cold.
Mag-good night na kami ni ngayon.
Good night, everyone. See you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Kasi magkikita pa tayo bukas.
Pagkikita ba kayo bukas?
Sayang si Dio
After
nakauwi.
after ng duty ni Craig. Kami hindi pa namin alam
Pero,
kung saan kami pupunta.
actually, tomorrow, after ng duty ko na yun, pwede na ako magwalwal. Kasi anytime ako umuwi, anytime ako magising.
Aba?
Wala akong problem.
Ah!
So, yun.
Magbanding kami ulit bukas. Mag-swimming kami sa malamig na
Siya
tubig.
na lang. Ayoko, bahala siya.
Hindi ah. Good night.
Si Dio, ano, umuwi na.
Iniwan na kami ni Dee.
Hoping you're hoping.
Let's eat! Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Wala nang araw. Walang araw. Ay, meron pa. Ayan na naman.
Ayan na naman.
Di ba talaga pag natatamaan ng araw yung magandang Manila?
Sana all maganda.
Maganda.
Yun, nangingintab na kami sa kakain.
Tapak.
Gusto nyo?
Ayan lang ano, popcorn.
Wala kaming mani.
Popcorn. Kopya ko rin popcorn. Kasama ko si Mel. Day 2.
Di bawal na magano.
Bakit?
May scan yung fingerprint natin.
Enjoy na. Ito pala natin ginagawa. Natakot pa.
Di ba may shinir ako? Hindi mo nakita?
Hindi ko na matandaan, Maruya. Pagod na pagod na.
May shinir ako doon. Kaya sabi ni GB, ayan, mag-ingat. Merong mahilig sa ganyan. Kuko na lang. Kuko.
I had to hit that slide out so these niggas know me. And I been in my hideout, had to pump that, get that thump back. Hello, 1-2 step, I run that, get that.
Si Maruya, huli ka.
Holy God.
Huli ka.
Malaking sushi. Sushi sama.
Sushi.
Mikas, mikas. Gutom appetit.
Come step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh,
Vloggers in the wild.
make your soul want to sing like
Oh, sunset with Maria! Mahulog na. Mabuhangin. Ang lamig. Hihinaw siya. Actually, kasi naman ang sexy ko. Tingnan mo naman. Lamig. Uy!
Mga bata dito. Swimming na kami ni Queen.
Ikaw na lang, mami.
You're long gone, I'm so lost. You're all that I want, so I keep on. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here trying to get through to you. I'm wishing on a star you want me to. Baby, come back to where we knew. Oh, it's true. It's true. I'll keep waiting for you. I see you in every crowd, hoping and I'm praying you'll come running back and say it. I know it was hard for us. Nothing lasts forever, but I thought we would be better. A friend said to move on. You're long gone. I'm so lost. You're all that I want, so I keep on. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here.
To the moon.
I'm wishing on a star you want me to. Baby, come back.
Ayun, umuwi na si Mayura. So, ayun, naglalakad ako pa uwi. Madilim. Pero okay lang. Ayun. Yun lang. Bye! So guys, that's everything for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we did. And again guys, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you next time.
Nag-wind pa naman siya.